In our previous video, we have completed common salt, and in that I have told you that common salt can be used as a raw material to make many other chemicals also, as in the formation of sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda and bleaching soda. We are using common salt as a raw material, and I have explained you what is raw material. Raw material means the first essential substance which is used to make any chemical. Okay, and I have discussed with you that how you get common salt. The common salt is formed by the process of evaporation when seawater is kept or blocked at one place and the evaporation technique take place, and in after evaporation the water get evaporated and we are along with salt. Okay, and that salt is common salt, but it was not in a pure form. We have to refine it by different process, by many processing. After that only it will be suitable for used. You must have seen written on this packets of common salt that refined salt. So what is refined salt? The iodized refined salt is formed when common salt is undergone many different process of refining. So many impurities are along with it which can be removed by processing. Okay, now we have done sodium hydroxide formation, and I have explained you that what are the uses of hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, sodium hydroxide, which are the byproduct formed in the chloralkali process. And I have explained you that why it is called chloralkali, since the formation of chlorine gas is taking place and an alkali is also formed. What are alkalis? The base which are soluble in water are called alkalis. Now let us discuss some uses of hydrochloric acid and bleach. Hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning steel. Not only for cleaning steel, for cleaning many metals we are using hydrochloric acid. Then in the formation of ammonium chloride. What was the formula of ammonium chloride? NH4Cl. Then in medicines also and in many cosmetics. Okay. Then bleach, as the name suggests, for bleaching purpose, for bleaching hairs, for bleaching skin, for household bleach and for bleaching fabrics. You must have seen that many colored substance clothes are made. How they are prepared, how the fabric were prepared, that is due to bleaching process. So let us proceed further. We were doing bleaching powder. How you will make note of it? First of all, write name bleaching powder. That is the common name given to it. Then the formula of bleaching powder, it is CaOCl2. And what is the chemical name? The chemical name is calcium oxychloride. What it is? Calcium oxychloride. Okay. And from where we are getting this? See, this chlorine gas is the gas which is formed by this process, chloralkali process. From here we have taken chlorine. Okay. And when we add chlorine with this lime water, what is calcium hydroxide? It is lime water. Okay. Whenever lime water is added with chlorine gas, it will form calcium oxychloride along with water. So you can see here the bleaching powder is formed along with water, isn't it? So first you have to write the name, then you have to learn the preparation reaction also, that how it is prepared, isn't it? So CaOH2 plus Cl2 will give CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride, means bleaching powder along with water. Okay, now let us do uses of it. As I have told earlier also, the bleaching powder is used for bleaching the cloth, especially cotton clothes and lining in the textile industries. It is mixed in wood pulp also for making paper, and for bleaching cloth in laundries also we are using bleaching powders. Okay, then second very important use of bleaching powder is oxidizing agent. As the name suggests, oxidizing agent means the substance which supply oxygen to another products, isn't it? How it will supply? Since it contain, you can see in formula, it contain oxygen, so it have oxygen, it can supply to another's. Third use is for disinfecting drinking water. Yes, you must have seen sometimes the supply water comes along with white bubbles. And what are that white bubbles? That are the bubbles formed due to addition of chlorine tablet in the water. For as a disinfecting drinking water also we are using. And fourth use also you can add in this, that in swimming pools also we are using bleaching powder to make the water germ free. Okay, so I think bleaching powder is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me while commenting. Okay, so we will complete in this only up to bleaching powder. Okay, so that you can learn maximum. First you will learn bleaching powder formula. What is the formula? Calcium CaOCl2. And what is the name? Calcium oxychloride. And then uses you can easily learn. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.